I've been testing Google's Nano banana inside Gemini, and it's wild. It turns a child's photo into a consistent 3D animated character, page after page. The plan is simple. Personalized kids' ebooks. We'll generate the art and story, package it in a clean PDF, set up a store, and push traffic with short AI videos.
Consistency is the make or break. How do you prompt Nano Banana so the character stays recognizable? And how do you handle consent and privacy with a child's photo? Also, can Gemini produce both visuals and a structured story without sounding generic?
The prompt matters. Ask for a Pixar-esque 3D character, retain facial features and hair, and place the child in a vibrant jungle. Then have Gemini draft a 10-page outline with scene descriptions and exact text. Feed each scene back for images, export pages, assemble in Canva, and download a polished PDF. Fast, cute, consistent.
Okay, we have the book now, the Storefront. What's the simplest way to launch without losing margins? And how do you collect the child's name and photo securely, set delivery expectations, and take payments without friction?
Use an AI website builder to launch a branded store with product pages, examples, and clear instructions. Price digital, around half of print, say $15. Add a custom email field. Send a follow-up within 2 hours to collect the name divided by photo, and connect both Stripe and PayPal to avoid missed sales. Automate confirmations and turnaround.
Marketing time. Short-form video wins. Inside Gemini, VO3 can generate 8-second TikTok clips like a mum and her child, flipping a personalized book, warm lighting, vibrant color, soft music. Post daily, use curiosity hooks, test CTAs, and link directly to the product page. Track click-throughs, and iterate fast.
2 essentials. Get parental permission and state how images are stored or deleted. Avoid claiming Disney, say Pixar-inspired style. Upsell printed editions via print on demand. Offer name variations and bundle birthday or holiday themes. Summary. Product, site, traffic, ethics. Question for listeners. What's your first niche: dinosaurs, space, or sports?